Yo, it's your boy D with Dee-Motives. Today we're gonna be explaining this harness we got from Redwolf. We got this one for the Honda Civics, no canvas. Honda Fit 2008, 2009 Honda Fit. You're gonna grab this one. Right, has a function. Each wire get power, audio, and all those good stuff. Steering wheel controls, all of these. In order to get these, you're gonna have to wire these up. So this is what I'm gonna be doing here. Stay tuned. So first things first, as you see here, we already have this one hooked up. I'm not doing any soldering. I'm just doing the connections. No soldering done here. I'm just connecting normally. DIY, do it yourself here. Okay, quick and simple, so you guys could just be able to do it by yourself if you're willing to. If you have the time and you want to do something, you have a project, you want to work on your car by yourself and you don't want to hire someone to do it. This right here is the wire for the antenna for the radio. In order to get the radio function working on the CarPlay that you're going to install, the device that you're installing, you're going to have to get this wire. We'll be showing you how to wire this up to the antenna wire, the blue wire. This wire that says antenna, we're going to wire this up to the antenna wire as well. Let's get right into the video, guys. So on this end, I have everything labeled, so I don't have to be figuring out what is what. In other sense, they're color coded, so it makes it way easier. That's why I'm making this video for people that work on their car, people that like working on their car, people that want to do it themselves. This is free. No soldering, no anything. You just need your hands. You just need to order these. You just need tape. That's it. You got some tape right here. That's all you need. Well, like, this is safe, this is okay. This is not anything that's quaking is gonna, no, this is safe, this is okay to do. To be way safer. There's some more complicated steps that you take, but this is actually safe. This is okay. This is electric tape. This is gonna be guarding everything here after you. All right, as you can see, this is the main power. You're gonna see it's labeled B plus 12 volt on this because it's, as I said, it's labeled or it's color coded. Just look at the colors. As you can see, there's two white wires, but you got to pay attention. One white wire has a black strip and one white wire don't. On this end, you have the same two white wires, one with the black strip, one without, but they're labeled. So we already did the main power. Now we're gonna just wire up these wires one by one. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just put all of them, join them together, color coded, or if it's labeled, then you simple tape it up. Make sure it's tape secured. As you can see, the much I taped, it's like reaching right here to here, and I taped all the way, so I cover everything. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel.